price of cooking gas in Nigeria as at today. This is from the Vanguard newspaper, and they are saying that cooking price defies marketers and it is selling at 1,200 naira per kg. Please let us know in the comment section how much is cooking gas going for in your area, because there are people who are giving different varying prices depending on the location. There are some people that have said they are buying cooking gas for 1,100, some people 1,300 per kg, some people 1,400, some people 1,500. So let us know what is your location and how much is cooking gas currently going for. If you recall, as at last month, people were buying cooking gas for 900, 850, depending on the location where you are buying the cooking gas from. But the prices have hiked and it has increased. Okay, but let us know in the comment section how much are you buying cooking gas for in your location. Please like and subscribe to Gininga Finance. We'll see you in the next video. Bye.